It affects the quality. But I heard 2,500 bits was like the perfect amount for 720p streaming, but people can't seem to watch it, so I've had to drop it down to 1,800. I'm not really sure why it's doing that. What the fuck? The fuck was that noise? We're back. Someone's in the house. Anna? Is that you outside? Is that you outside? Eh? Someone's in the house. I heard someone banging on the window. I'm calling the police. Okay, bye. I'm having someone banging on my windows, and I've called my family members, and one of them is saying it's still at the house. And the, hello? In the house, yeah. I can't see because I live in a dark park. I live in the park, and there's no street lighting or anything to use outside. I'm downstairs. I had 3 big punches against the window, and all the glasses and all locked myself. Not sure if I'm not sure. I just heard 3 big bangs. Ninth of the 7th, 1992. Yeah. My own. No, it's not smashed, but I heard like big 3 bangs. Cause I'm right by the window, like I had the curtains closed. Makes sense. Sorry? No, no. Ugh. Hello? Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that, dude. I don't think that was the link, man. I heard a. I took the headphones off. I could still hear banging on the window. Hello? Hey? I don't know. Just banging on the window. And I thought it was you trying to get home. Because I thought the door was locked. Hey? No, because it was on, the door panel window where my computer is. Like right in front of. Yeah. Oh, yeah, they're coming to have a look. Nah, I've locked all the doors. Locked all the doors. Yeah, will do. I'll listen to the link again, mate, but that didn't really, because I felt like a vibration or something, but fucking that scared the shit out of me. 1 second. Holy shit. That was your fucking... Oh, dude, you bitch. You scared the fuck out of me. I just got trolled. I know it sounds fucking real. It felt like it was in my own room. Yeah, don't worry. Oh, I'm calling him now. Fucking hell. I'm calling him now, don't worry. They're not going to do anything anyway because I locked the doors. Hello? Yeah, please. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. That just sounded so fucking real. I shit my pants. Oh yeah. Yeah. I recently called about a disturbance at a household I'm in. Yeah. Yeah, it's Josh. Well, I'm just calling to say that it's not an issue anymore. I don't think there's any problems at all. There's no security lights that have came on or anything like that, so I think that it's safe. Yeah. Like I said to the last person, I've locked all the doors and there's no way they're getting in because the fire doors, you know, they're not gonna be able to knock them down unless they've got a very big axe. So I'm not expecting to shine in any more time soon. Yeah. Oh, will do. I'll definitely call back if there's any more problems. But I really think it should be okay for now. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Bye. Ugh. Right. Well, you've definitely made an introduction. I still think they're gonna have a officer like walking around somewhere. Thank you for the follow, man. I would have like literally swatted myself on stream. That would have been a bit awkward. Oh, I think it's funny, man. Like, I literally like I clicked the link expecting to see like Daisy stuff, and my headphones are loud, and all I heard was like a bang, 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 and like I've got like a window there and a window there, so I'm thinking someone is like trying to break in, because it's not usual for me to be on my own in the house, so for that to happen, let's just say I've had experiences where someone has tried to break in before. So I'm like, when I'm on my own, I get a little bit cautious, you know. Hang on, I just got a text message. Man. I called my sister up and everything, thinking it was her trying to get in the house at first. Oh, that recording scared me, man. It really did. Is my green screen out of place or anything? I fucking hate it when my green screen does that shit. One second, let me check that. I know it's like one of you watching, but I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so I'm like always trying to fix this shit. Alright, hang on. Someone's at the door. I'll be right back. It's actually legit this time.